everybody. Do you know what day it is? It's day 10. Day 10 of Vlogmas. That means there's only 15 more days to go. Can you even believe that? Day 10 already. Crazy. All right, so today I'm looking at a garland that you don't have to go out and shop for. I mean, you can if you want to kind of try to copy the idea, but this is actually a kit from Hirschner's. Hirschner's is a fabulous company. They've got millions of different kinds of yarns and kits and all kinds of fun stuff. But I found this one to be super cute for Christmas time, and it's actually cute for all winter long because it's snowmen, and snowmen are good all winter long. You can keep those babies up until Easter. So this one's really, really cute. You can drape this garland of friendly faces across your mantle or around your tree to bring a smile all season long. This kit includes Hirschner's worsted 8 and worsted 3 yarn and easy crochet instructions. It does require that you use a 5mm and a 5.5mm hook to complete it. But other than the hooks, they're going to supply all the other goodies for you. So that being said, maybe you want to give that a try. And if that's not something that you're excited about, maybe you want to go down into the description box below and click on the link to my Pinterest board, and you can see all of the ideas that I have for the entire Vlogmas series. I love to collect pins. What can I say? I'm a Pinterest person. I find things very Pinteresting. Okay, everybody, I hope you're having a great, great Christmas season and you're finding the beauty and the joy in it without the stress. That would be great. And until tomorrow, I hope you have a great day. All right, guys, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.